Let's see what we got here today. We had a guy out on the 27th. Melted disconnect, so we replaced the disconnect. So today is August 1st or something. So let's see what I got here. Let me put you down for a minute and get the meter out. So I got some voltage. Here's another funny thing right there. This on a roof. Like, there's the condenser back there. It's camouflage. Let's see. Let's see if we have good fuses or not. We are in a walk-in cooler. That's good. And that's good. Well, let's see. Something clicked. Let's take this apart and see what's up. Well, I see a bubbly cap. See the contactor. It's half toasted here. Let's see, what contactor is it? Coiled 208 230. I don't think I have one small enough. But let's see what happens. Yeah. Pulls it in. But I think that contactor is toasted. I think it's toasted, man. Let me get the cover off here. I'm gonna have to replace that capacitor. Compressor's not hot, but with that capacitor being like that, I don't know. We'll see. Hold on. Okay, as you can see, got that off there. Contactor's not budging. So, no. That's a no-go right there. Plus the capacitor. Check the start capacitor. It's 145 to 170, and we have 151. So we're good there. Got to replace this and the contactor. The only thing I had was a monstrous 3-pole. That's all I got to go in there. Yeah. So we'll get that changed up. That's the only thing I had on the truck. It's a Saturday at 4 o'clock. So, what am I going to do? Got to do something. Alright, let me start working on this. Alright, so, got the capacitor in there. Let's close this jank-ass time clock. Got the capacitor in there. Got her. Had to double land that one, but that's all we can do. This thing was pretty toasted. So probably the original reason why he had to replace that, he didn't look any farther. I don't know why. But that capacitor failing, it's just overloading it. And hopefully that's it. We'll see what else happens. Maybe I should check that. Check the compressor connections just in case. Let's see. Well, those are good. Been repaired before. Snap that in. Alright, well, let's give her some juice and see if we can get some sparks out of it. Let's see. Hope for the best. Alright, compressor. But I have no fans. Let's see what happens. That don't sound good. Gotta have a fan. Oh, I at least gotta have one. Well, I mean, it's the middle of summer. I should have two. Let me see what I'm missing. Maybe I'm missing a connection here. Okay, let's see what happens. I had a wire in the wrong spot for this solenoid up here. I don't know, it's really kind of strange. He's got like two solenoids on the liquid lining. I have this one and one downstairs. And another one. Actually, he's got one over there on that coil. One on that coil and one up here. Don't understand, but that's the way it is. I'm not reinventing the wheel here. So, I had to tear this rat's nest apart, figure out where these wires went to, and I found out I put a wire on the wrong side. So I got this wire right here, that's one side of the solenoid. I got this wire here, that's the other side of the solenoid. This thing's got pressure controls for both fans. So let's see what happens. Let's plug it in. Okay. So we did get the compressor to run. There we go. Got one fan. The other fan turns out. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to have to tie this up, get the cover back on. It's going to start raining here in a minute. So, good airflow. That's just a contactor change and capacitor change on this walk-in cooler. Look at the sight glass. It's got some bubbles in it, but that's to be expected because those TXVs are wide open. It'll calm down after a little bit here. And this thing was changed over to, I think it's MO99 in this system. It was an R22 system, changed it over to MO99. I don't know who did it. But, yeah, we're up and running. Alright guys, give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.